नेट you are like Good afternoon. Lord Jagannath है आराध्या. Okay. Monali. Good afternoon. Okay. Yes, Swastik. Good afternoon. Yeah, Samraj. Good afternoon. Itishri Raut. Yeah, good afternoon. If any of your friends have not joined it, kindly share this one so that they will join. Aarti. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. Am I audible to all? Am I audible? Okay. Okay, Monali. If you people have seen that share option, kindly share within your group so that all others also can join here. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we will start. In your group also you can send. Also join. Because already those who have subscribed, the notification have gone to them. But those who have not subscribed yet, obviously, they won't get this notification. Yes, Archana. Good afternoon. Suprava Singh. Okay, Shri Anjal. Yeah. Good afternoon. Okay. So others will join us. It's Venom. Venom 444. Who is that? Vishu. Okay, good afternoon, all of you. Let's start. Okay. So today, in today's practice session, as tomorrow you people are having your test as what algebraic expression and square roots. So let's start. So will I start it from square and square root? So for this square and square root, all the short questions will come from that basic parts. Okay. Yes, good evening, not good afternoon. Satyajit, good afternoon. Yeah. Okay. Sonam, yes, Sonam, good afternoon. Okay. Still only 20 students have joined here, but it's okay. Gradually, all others can join. Okay. So let's start this session. This is the very first time that Crystal Life is preparing the live session for you people so that you can prepare yourself. This is a basic thing. Okay. So let's start from the square and square root. As you know that when the two numbers are multiplied, okay, then they are called as the square of that number, right? So in this one, what the basic means question can come in your normally in MCQ pattern. As you know, the pattern is that there are 16 question will come from in MCQ. Okay, so in MCQ, sometimes what happened, if there is fill in the blanks, then directly you can write down the answer. But if MCQ is there means many options are there, then we are getting confused. So what else is that sometimes a question may come, what will be the unit place of the square of 37? Okay, only the unit place. No need to find out the square. As we know that it ends with 7, it means its unit place will be 9. Okay, so how will you know that? That 1 square, as you know, it is 1. 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, and 9 square is equal to 81. Okay, so from this, is it visible? Is it visible to all? Its video is not clear. Yeah, I can also see that one. Video is not clear. Maybe because of the bad weather. Yes, it is coming blur. Yes, yes, I can see that one. Yeah. Yes, video is not clear. I guess this is all because of that bad weather. Now, is it visible? Okay. Okay. So let's see here. So what we come to know now, when any number which ends with 1 or 9, that square will end with 1. Okay, both of them are ending with 1. Similarly, any number which ends with 2 and 8, so those squares will end with 4. Any number which ends with 3 and 7, their square ends with 9. Any number which ends with 4 and 6, their square will end with 6. Any number which ends with 5, their square will end with 5. Okay. Similarly, another question will come like that which numbers are among the following which is not a perfect square? Not a perfect square. It means the number obviously which ends with what? It is already one is there. So which numbers are not there? You can see that is 2, then 3 also, then 4, 5, here 6 is there, so 7, 8. Okay, so 2, 3, 7, 8. The number which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, simply they are out of your option. Just cross all those options though ends with the 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, that they are the non-perfect square or not a perfect square numbers. Okay. Next is what? Along with that, another one is what? Odd number of zeros. Odd number which ends with the odd number of zeros. Because we know that when we are writing 10 square, again, I guess it is coming blur. Again. What happened to this? Not able to understand. This is only because of that weather. So, next is what? See, when we are writing it as 10 square, then its answer is 100. Okay? Hello, are you all able to hear me? Yes, I'm trying to clean the lens, but still I'm not able to do this. Okay. So when we are writing it 10 square, as you can see, there is only one single zero, but in square that is two zeros. Similarly, when we are finding out the 100 square, it means we are multiplying 100 twice. So you can see that there are four zeros. So what we have observed here, when the number is having only one zero, their squares are having two zeros. When the number is having two zeros, the squares in square there are four zeros. It means double number of zeros are there. Or also we can also say that even number of zeros. So the number which ends with the even number of zero, only they are the perfect squares. But the number like 1000, they are not the perfect squares. Why? Because there are odd number of zeros. Understood up to this? So these are the short question that will come along with that. Another short question is number of non-perfect squares. Number of non-perfect squares, which also can be told as natural numbers, because though are the natural numbers, they are also non-perfect squares, right? So number of non-perfect square numbers in between, if the question is like in between, like 19 square and or 18 square and 19 square, in between these two, how many non-perfect square numbers or the natural numbers are there? Both are same, meaning are same. Non-perfect means natural, non-perfect square means those who are not squares, it means they are natural. Okay, so their formula, as we know, that is 2n, which is 2 into 18 is equal to 36. This is the answer, that this much of number of non-perfect squares or the natural numbers are there in between this number of squares. Okay, next another question is what may come, like all type of short questions will come in your exam. Like we know that squares of even number is always even. Okay, like 32 square. Okay, that is 1024, and this is also even number. And squares of odd numbers is always odd. Likewise, we are writing 5 square. 5 is an odd number, so its square is 25, which is also an odd number. Okay, I guess now is it visible properly, and also you people can say this. HW, Devraj Singh has written it HW. Hello or what? How? Okay. One, what others will be. Write the squares of any number with the sum of odd consecutive odd numbers. Sum of consecutive odd numbers. Like one example I'm writing here, 7 square. Okay, So as you know that sum of consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive means one by one. Odd number means where we will write only the odd numbers, and the odd numbers always start from 1. So the next odd number is 3, then is 5, then is 7, then is 9, then is 11. So 3, 3, 6, and then is 13. If you will add them, you will get 7 square is equal to 49. Let's see, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 11 is 36. 36 plus 3, 39 plus 10 is 49. Okay. Sometimes the question may come as reverse. So kindly be mindful. Next question, short type of question may come like that. Express the square of any odd number. Square of odd number as sum of two consecutive positive integers. Okay. Sorry for this bad handwriting because I'm writing very fast. That's why. Okay. So how will you write this? Like one odd number is if I'm writing 9 square. So the formula that we know, n square plus 1 by 2, n square minus 1 by 2. It means the number odd number we have written and whose square we need to find it out. As the sum of the two consecutive odd numbers, at that time what we will do, that is 9 square plus 1 by 2, 9 square minus 1 by 2, and 9 square we know that 81 plus 1 by 2, and it is 81 minus 1 by 2. So here it is 82 by 2, here it is 80 by 2. If you will cancel out, here you will get 41, and this one you will get 40. So 40 plus 41 you are going to get what? 81. Understood? Then the very next question will come what? That in 2 marks or 3 marks, in 2 marks question, that do without actual multiplication like 53 into 55. Okay, without actual multiplication we have to find out the multiplication. So how will you do this? 53 into 55 is what? What is the difference between them? 55 minus 53 is equal to 2. In case of only two difference, it can be possible. Means consecutive even number or consecutive odd number. In that case, it can be possible. Okay. So here it is what? The middle term is what? Now 54. It means I can write 53 as 54 minus 1 and 55 as 54 plus 1. And in algebraic expression, we have learned this one as a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. So here a is 54 whole square minus b is 1 square. So now 54 square, that one video also I have shown you how that 5260 square we can find it out. So 25 plus 4 is 2916 minus 1. So the answer is 2915. Okay. Up to this, any doubt? Another one like this, like one, like which one? Not able to understand which one? Lopamudra. Another one means by which one? Okay, just you write it down. I will read it. Next, other things are what? That finding the square, you people can write down the square by multiplication. And if it is given, no ma'am, no doubt. First one, first means which one? This one. Odd numbers. Square of odd numbers. Lopamutra. I really don't know who is she. Uh, So you can replay this video and later on you can see that one. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay. Let me show you again. So here, like one example we have taken as 13. 13 square we need to find out. The formula is n square plus 1 by 2 and n square minus 1 by 2. What is n here? This one is the n. So 13 square plus 1 by 2 and 13 square minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 13 square we know 169 plus 1 by 2 and 169 minus 1 by 2. So 169 plus 1 is equal to what? 170 by 2, and this is 168 by 2. So this one is what? 85, and this one is 84. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 8 plus 8 16. Yes, we got the answer. Understood now? I guess there will be no doubt. Then the next one is what? What is the most important thing? Pythagorean triplets. Most of the time, the students are getting confused with that. But it is very simple. No need to remember which are the Pythagorean triplets. Only that important things need to know that those who are the small numbers, their formula is 2m. And the big number in that group, its formula is m square plus 1, and the middle number, okay, that formula is n square minus 1. So if the question is given that from the Pythagoras triplets the smallest number is this, so you will take 2m as that, okay, and the big number is m square plus 1. So m square plus 1 is this, then m square is equal to, due to the transpose method, then you can find out the value of m. Likewise, one example I can do that. Find the Pythagorean triplets whose largest number is given that 10. Largest number is given as 10. So largest number, the formula is m square plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so here means n square is equal to 10 minus 1 and m is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This is square, so we have to find out its square root, which is equal to 3. Once you get m is equal to 3 means the smallest number easily we will get, but you have to remember only this 3. The smallest number formula is 2m, the largest number formula is m square plus 1, and the middle number is m square minus 1. So the smallest number you can get 2m is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and then the middle number is n square minus 1, that is 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So the Pythagorean triplets we have to write like this also. So the Pythagorean triplets are, which one is the smallest one? That is 6, then middle term 8, then the largest one 10. So 6, 8, 10 are the Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Okay. Next, come to the next part. Next one is the square root of the number. There are the three process. One is the square root. The first one is repeated subtraction. Then is the prime factorization. And then the third one is what? Long division. Okay. So in that repeated subtraction, obviously we are going to subtract the odd numbers. Repeatedly, we will subtract the odd numbers starting from 1, 3, 5 like this. Okay. So this is maybe 2 marks or 3 marks question may come or may not be, because many questions are there from algebraic expression and square root. Then is what? Now prime factorization. You should learn this one because many question will come from that. Whether to find the square root of the prime factorization or which least number should be multiplied, which what is that? which least number should be divided. Okay, so all these things can be done only by the prime factorization. And what is the meaning of that prime factorization? Here the meaning of prime factorization is where we will use only the prime numbers. Okay, if you are taking one example like 96, 96 is can be divisible by 2. Also can be 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, so it can be divisible by 3. Okay, also can be 6, but 2 and 3 are the prime numbers, whereas 6 is not. So here we will use either 2 or 3. So always remember that in prime factorization we will always use the prime numbers only. Do not take any composite number there. So 248, 224, 2 12s are 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are. Okay. So now, okay. So now, what else we can write? That square root of 96 is 2 into 2, then 2 into 2, then 2 into 3. So here what we come to know that this 96 is not a perfect square. Okay, because 2 is one pair. Here 2 is 2 into another pair. But 2 into 3 means here another 2 and another 3 we required. So here in this type of question for this 96, there can be the two question formed. One is what the least number should be multiplied or divided. Okay, so at a time 2 I'm telling you whatever is left here that should be multiplied and that can be divided. Okay, so it's very easy. First find out the prime factorization and then after what multiply whatever is needed. So how much we need? That is 2 into 3 6 is there. Obviously we're going to multiply 2 into 2 another 2 we need and 3 into 3 another 3. It means the 6 we need to multiply. So in therefore we will write 6 should be multiplied to get a perfect square, and multiply also 96 into 6 square root, and here it is also 2 into 2. Let's get hanged or what? Stopped again. Am I audible to all? Am I audible to all? So here it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 6, because already one 6 is there, we have to multiply another 6, and the square root, what is that? The 2. Out of this 2 we will take 1 2, out of this 2 we will take another 2, and out of this 2 6 we will take 6. So here it is 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, and this one is what? 6 6 are 36, 6 whole 3, 6 9s are 54 plus 3 576, and square root of 576 we got 24. Even if the question is given what should be the least number should be divided, the same pattern we will follow. We will find out the prime factorization of 96, then after what is the odd one there or which is out of the pair, we will multiply that one. Okay, like in 96 we come to know that square root of 96, what is written there? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. Here it means straight. Do not write 2 into 3 need to be multiplied. Straight 6 is left here means 6 should be divided. So here we will write 6 should be divided to get a perfect square, and divide also 96 by 6. But this answer is most important because the question is asking for this. If you are doing everything but you are not writing this, you will not get the mark. So 96 by 6, and write down 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 divided by 6 here, and square root, and 6, the whole 6 will be cancelled out. Out of this two twos we will take one 2, and out of this two twos we will take another 2, and here it is 96 by 6 is equal to 16. So square root 16 we got 4. It means our answer is correct. Okay. Next, come to the next number. What should be added? What should be subtracted? Subtracted one is very easy, but for that you have to learn the long division method. Okay, so prime factorization method and long division method is very much necessary. Likewise, so before that, you should know that how to find out the long division method. That is 256. Okay, so how will you do? From the right hand side, make pair. Pair means always in two, and here one is left. So now we will focus on the first one. It is written 2. So whose square can be less than 2 or equal to 2? Equal to 2 is not possible because 2 is not a perfect square. So here 1 square, 1 ones are 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And whatever you will write here in the question, you have to add here so that we will get a new divisor, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, at a time 2 digit will come down, that is 156. Now we have to check that what will I take here, and also we will multiply with the same ones place digit so that I will get 156. So we have to focus on that. What will I, whose square can unit place be 6? Either 4 or 6. So let's try it with 4. So 14 fours are 56. So yes, and if you will take, sorry, it is 24. So 24 fours are is 96, where our answer is not getting matched with it. So let's try with 16. 26. So 6 6 ja 36, 6 hold 3, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Yes, we got the answer. So now we can put 6 here, and also we will write 6 here, and our answer is 156, and we can subtract the answer is 0. Okay, and in the end also just write down square root of 256 is equal to 16. Okay, so this is the long division method. Now through this long division method, the two type of question will come, that what should be subtracted, and another one is what should be added. So first of all, let's do for what should be subtracted. For that one, we will take a number like 3262, 3262. What should be subtracted? Simply do the long division method. Okay, so from the right hand side again make the pair, and you got the answer as 32. So focus on that. Now whose square can be less than 32? 6 square is 36, so we will take here 5, and 5 square is equal to 25. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and at a time 2 digit will come down, so it is 762. Whatever we will take to the quotient, we have to add it to the divisor so that we will get the new one. So here 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now I have already told you focus on this too, but none of the digit we will get which can give you the perfect square which ends with 2. Okay, because perfect square never ends with 2. So what the digit we will take? 7 ones are 7. It will be 700 if you are taking, but it will be, let's take this, try with this one. So the two unit place should be the same. So we have to take this 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. It is 749. Obviously 8 won't go because 8 8s are 64. It will come 864. So we will take what? Na 7. So here the answer is 749. On here also we will put 57. So what do you got? 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 1. So what is left here? 13. So whatever is left here, we just need to subtract that one. 3, 2, 6, 2 minus 13. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And then after it is 3, 2, 4, 9. Okay. And whether our answer is correct or not, do the long division method here again. So 3, 2, 4, 9. And again do the long division one. 5, 5s are 25. 12 minus 5 7. Here it is 49. 5 plus 5 10. And 7 7 are 49. 7 1s are 7. Yes, we got the answer as 0 and the square root is 57. But what you will write? Now 13 should be subtracted. This answer should be written or else you are not going to get the mark. Okay, this is only because of that. No force to you to get the high score, but whatever the knowledge you are getting, don't do any silly mistakes so that your mark will be deducted. Next come to what should be added. What should be added, and what is the least number should be added. Okay, what is the least number that we will add? That type of question will come. Let's take an example of 1508. So the here also the same thing. First do the long division. Then what do you got? 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So here we will take 3 3s are 9. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. At a time 8 will come down. So 608. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now what we need to put here so that we will get 608. So as you know that, so what we need to put? Anyone else who can answer? Sai, Jina. Okay. What else? What is the next number that we can put? See, if you will multiply here 9, 69 nines are 9 nines are 81, 1 hold 8, 9 6 ja 54 plus 8 is equal to 62, which is more than 608. So definitely we are going to take 8. So let's take this. 8 8s are 64, 4 hold 6, 8 6 ja 48 plus 6 is 54. Okay. So now 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And 5 minus 4, 5 is equal to 0. But here there is no work with this. What is left? What we need to add for that? What do you need to observe? What is there in the question? If it is 38, let's take the square of 39. Find out the square of 39. So here we are going to find out the square of 39. Just a minute. It is again coming blur. So for the square of 39, simply you can do the multiplication, or you know that without actual multiplication also we can find it out, that 40 minus 1 whole square also. But in algebraic expression, I will explain you that one. So here it is. 9 nines are 81, 1 whole 8. 3 nines are 27, 9 threes are 27. So 27 plus 27 plus 8. Means you can do the multiplication. I am doing it in my way. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 2 hold 2, 2 threes are 6, 62. So here it is 2 hold and 6, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So the answer is 1520, sorry, 1521. Okay. So this is the number 1521, and we have to subtract that 1508 from 1521. How much difference is there? Then only we can see that how much do we need to add. Okay. So here it is 1521 minus 1508 is equal to 13. It means What do you come to know that? Now 13 should be added. 13 should be added. And from your book, each and every question has already done. So hope so you people don't have any doubt. Is it clear? So that we will go to the algebraic expression. Okay, let's come to the next one. Is it very less students are there showing? Okay, let's come to the algebraic expressions. So in this algebraic expression, the short questions will come from the like what is the algebraic expression, what are its parts, that we know that algebraic expression is the way of mathematical expression with the variables where there is no the values of the variables are not constant. Like if one term I have written that 3x square y plus 5. In this, the parts of the algebraic expressions are what? Okay, Aradhya Sahu. Okay. Here, the 5 is constant. The number which is 5 is added here, that is constant. Here we can use the plus sign or minus sign or multiplication and division also, because you can see that the factors are multiplied here. Okay, and in this term we can see that this 3 which is the numerical coefficient, this is not constant, this is called the numerical coefficient. Okay, and x square is done by x into x and y is y, and if it is written 3x square y, it means 3 is multiplied with x square with y. So here the factors of 3x square y are 3x square y. Okay, and this is the constant, this is the operation that we have used. Here it is used as plus sign, you can use also minus. Okay, they also will be called as what? The algebraic expression. In this term, number of variables we have used, that is one variable s, another one is y. But the degree of this algebraic expression is thinking question. This is only for your brainstorming. Okay, it won't come in your exam. But case study, that one will come. Means any of the case study, maybe from your book or maybe out of the book, that also can come. So kindly go through that questions properly. So this is what degree of algebraic expression, that's done. Next come to terms. As you know that here two terms written. One is 3x square y, another one is 5. So they are called as the binomial. And where there is only one term, they can have many variables like the variables like 5x square y z. Here this is only one term is written because it is written, there is no plus or minus sign. There is no two terms or three terms. Here it is only having only one term, but number of variables are used x, y, z. Okay, so just know the difference between the variables and the terms, because this can may confuse you. This may confuse you. I'm sorry for mistake. Okay. Then the very next thing is what why we should know about this what this degrees and the like terms and unlike terms. Like terms means which are having the same variables with the same degrees. Like if you are taking out what a b square, and in other part we are writing a square b, they are not like terms because maybe the variables are equal here, but the powers we're using that is different. Here a is only one power, but here the power of a is 2. Here b has the power of 2, here b is the power of 1. So they are not called as the like terms. We cannot add them. We can multiply them, we can divide them, but we cannot add or subtract them. So for the addition and subtraction, we should know more very well about the like terms. Okay, so till now any doubt? Okay. Nothing? Then the question may come the find out the highest common factor of any two terms. Likewise, if it is given as that 8x square and 12x to the power 4y, if it is given like this. So here, how will you find out the highest common factor with this? First of all, factorize them. 8 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2, and x square can be written as x into s, and 12x to the power 4y can be written as what? This is what? 2 into 2 into 3 and x into x into x into x into y. So here whatever is the common part, we will take that, and these are the what highest common factor, that is 2 into 2 x into x, that is 4x square. Okay, this is from the factorization chapter. I'm really sorry for that. Means when our study starts, it's where it goes that we don't know. Okay, next come to, I'm really sorry for the ma'am, what is algebraic expression? Would have not to attend the class. Algebraic expression is the expression which is a combination of the variables with the constant with the mathematical operations. It is simply written in your book in the first, what is that called? Um, in the first page, it is also written. Okay, about the algebraic expression. Most probably, the long questions will come from the identities. So kindly go through that. Algebraic expression, it is written that is a combination of the variables and the numerals separated by the mathematical symbols. Okay, and I have already told over there. It's okay. Next comes what? Evaluation of the algebraic expression, like one number has given that yq plus 2xy to the power 5 minus 3y square plus 2y, where x value is minus 2, y value is minus 1. And this evaluation is very easy because we need to just put the value and we will get the answer. Okay, so instead of y, what we will write as y value is minus 1, so we are going to write as minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 2 into x value is minus 2 and y value is minus 1 to the power 5 minus 3 into y value is minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1. So minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1, as there is the odd number of power is there. So then 2 into minus 2 minus 1 to the power 5 also minus 1. Then minus 3 into minus 1 square is equal to plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Here it is minus 1. Then minus into minus is equal to plus 2 2s are 4 minus 3 minus 2. And here it is, or you can see that all the numbers are negative. So obviously they will be added. They will be added and we will get what? Now 4 minus 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. That is 4 minus 6, whose answer is minus 2. Again. Am I audible to all? No, who are present in the class? Okay, Satyajit. Aarti. Okay. So here 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2, that we get the answer. Okay. During this process, kindly this negative sign properly. X is equal to minus 2 I have written. Addition and subtraction part. So in addition and subtraction, you can do it horizontally or else you can do it vertically. Okay, in two-way method you can do. So if I'm going to do this horizontally, so let me show you how will you do. Like 9x cube plus 4x minus 10 will be added with whom? Plus minus 3x square plus 6x minus 12. Always remember that whenever you are writing the second number, kindly write it inside the bracket. Okay, when plus sign will enter to the bracket, there will be no change in the sign. It means minus 3x square plus 6x minus 12. Now what we will do, as this is the x cube and no other x square, then what else is there? 4x plus 6x. So directly you can also write that is 10x, and minus 10 minus 12 is equal to do this. First you have written this one plus 4x minus 10. Then after you need to write what? Minus 3x square. So here you can see that in this first algebraic expression, there is no such term for x square. So we will under this 4x, we will write 6x, and then under this numerical, we will write the numerical. As we are adding this, there is no such changes in their sign. So here minus 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 22 plus 9x cube and minus 3x square is minus 3x square. The same answer we are getting. Doesn't make means that which one you are writing it at first and which one at the end. The same this and this answers are correct. But in case of subtraction, kindly be mindful. At that time, if the question is given that subtract 3x plus 7y, that is from minus 2x plus 9y. So first you have to write the second number, that is minus 2x plus 9y. Then you have to write, you have to subtract this one. So here it is. But here what we are doing? We are doing the subtraction. So this plus 3x will convert to minus and this plus sign will convert to minus. So what we come to know? Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5x. 9 minus 7 is equal to plus 2y. So the answer is minus 5x plus 2y. Which one is the convenient for you? That horizontal way or the vertical way? You can apply that one. Okay. Then the very next one is what? The multiplication of the algebraic expression. Monomial is easy. So I am doing something like the difficult one I am going to show you. That is, the question is AB into A square minus B square plus BC into B square minus C square plus CA into C square minus A square. Okay. From this one, the monomial with binomial along with the addition and subtraction, everything is there. So from this, I guess you people can understand this. So what you will do, first this one will be multiplied with this one. It means first we will write AB into A square. Then minus sign is there. So we will write minus AB into B square. Then this part is covered. Now we will go to the second part. So second part, the first term is written BC into B square. Then minus sign is here. So BC into C square. Then again plus, because this second part is also finished. Now we will go to the third part. So here it is CA into C square and plus into minus is equal to minus CA into A square. So what do we got here? A square into A is equal to AQB. Then minus B into B square is BQ. So ABQ. Then plus B into B square is equal to BQC minus B into C into C square is BCQ. Then plus C into C square is CQA minus CA into A square is CAQ. So this is the answer, AQB minus ABQ plus BQC minus BCQ plus CQA minus CAQ is the answer. Okay. But still, if the question will given you that multiply something bigger number, like if it is given 4xy minus 3yz plus 6xz is multiplied with 2xy. Okay, so kindly write down this monomial part to the left hand side, which will be easier for you to multiply. So 4xy minus 3yz plus 6xz. So what we will do, the first term will be multiplied with the first term, 2xy into 4xy. Here is the minus sign, so 2xy into 3yz, then plus 2xy into 6xz. So here it is, 2 4s are 8, because numbers will be multiplied with the numbers and the variables will be multiplied with the variables. So here it is 8, then x into x is x square, y into y is y square, minus 2 3s are 6, x, y into y, y square, z, then plus 2 6 are 12, x into x is x square, y, z. Okay, so this is the answer. If there are binomial and trinomial, this type of question will be given, because most of the students are making wrong in that. So let me tell you how will you do this. It is given that 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square whole into 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. So at that time, just write down the 4 ones separately and multiply this 2 at first. It means 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square is multiplied with the a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, so now what we will write, 4. So first this term, from this term will be multiplied with the first term. Okay, means with the whole. Sorry, that is 3 by 4 a square will be multiplied with a square minus 2 by 3 b square. With the whole first it will be multiplied. Then plus 3b square, which is the second term, will be multiplied with the whole a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Once you have gone to the second step, it will be easier for you, that what we will do in the next step, that is 4 whole into 3 by 4. As now monomial and binomial come, it is easy for you. A square into a square, the first term, then minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 a square into b square, because this is a square, this is b square. Okay, now come to this one, that is what? Now 3b square into a square, plus into minus is minus, 3b square into 2 by 3b square. Okay, now whatever is needed we have to cancel out, we can. That is 3 3, 2 ones are 2, a to the power n is minus a square b square by 2 plus this is 3 a square b square, then minus b to the power 4. Okay, now you can bring the 4 into this. That is what? 4 into 3 by 4 a to the power 4 minus a square b square by 2 into 4 plus 4 into 3 square b square minus 4b to the power 4. So here the 4 4 cancel out. 2 2s are 4 is there. So answer is 3a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 4 3s are 12 a square b square, and this is minus 4b to the power 4. Again you can see that these are the like terms, 2a square b square and plus 12a square b square. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So the answer will be 3a to the power 4 square minus 4b to the power 4. This is the answer. Okay, in this way you can also solve what? The identities. So let me tell you the last one, and then after we will end this session, that identities 1 is what? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2a. Kindly be mindful and write down the identities in each and every time. plus b square. And identity 3 is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. And identity 4 is x plus a into x plus b, that we know x square plus a plus b whole. We have to just remember this thing so that we can find out the squares also. We can find out with this two process. And if any number, any multiplication is given in this identities form, directly you can write down the answer. So for today, after this, now you need to do the preparation, and I guess there will be no doubt anymore. Those four students, can you please reply? The last four students, though, who are present here, can you please? Thank you so much for watching this video and to be in this video for 1 hour of math session. This is the very longest video in my YouTube channel. And before leaving this, I would like to thank you so much for the whole hard work. Once again,